myself Anita Umesh. I've completed my BE in Biotechnology and ME in Bioinformatics. I joined Agri to get my postgraduate PG diploma course in clinical research, which is a 3 months duration course. I got to know about Agri through one of my friends who has completed a PG diploma course in the year 2012. Presently, she is placed in Shilton International. We are exposed to various subjects and modules over here such as biologics, clinical research, CDM and pharmacovigilance. The syllabus has been framed such as the company requirements, and I want to thank all the trainers here, to name them Ms. Amrita, Ms. Judith and Ms. Sushi, who has been in a tremendous process and who has put rigorous effort on each and every candidate to train them and to overcome their weaknesses. And they make sure that on the same particular day, each and every topic has been cleared. They leave no topics unleft, and they train us in such a manner. Apart from technical session, they are also being trained on our soft skill development and as well as the GD mock sessions and the presentation skills. And I want to thank even Ms. Rohini, who has made sure that we have been out of our weaknesses and we make sure that our interview goes on smoothly. And not the least, I want to thank Ms. Sushma, who is a placement coordinator in Agri, who has worked a lot to get into a company. And I'm happy to be placed in Shilton International as clinical data analyst. And I want to thank Sushma ma'am again, because she has done a tremendous work to make sure that each and every candidate gets placed in a company who can live their dream world. And at the last, I want to thank all the Agri members over here and the staff as well, who has worked a lot for each and every candidate over here. And to all the future Agrians, I want to give one small suggestion, such as like the Agri provides the complete package for your future. So take the classes seriously and go through a tremendous rigorous training over here, which will be useful for you. And all the best for all the future Agrians over here. Thank you.
Finally.